Here's another winter garden chore. Be sure that your climbing roses have enough support to continue to climb. Especially a Peggy Martin rose, which I don't think a cottage garden is complete without a Peggy Martin climbing rose, especially in the South. This girl she starts there, she goes up, she goes over that way, she comes this way, she goes. I've added that another stretch of lattice work or arbor work, and now I've added this yesterday. Now I'm adding more this way because she's not finished. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. And you just can't put up a little tiny frail arbor with a Peggy Martin. It needs to be a substantial support system, and I do that. Everything is wired to something else. Lots of triads. Lots of this side braces that side. This side braces that side. All the way around. So that today's garden chore is adding more and more and more and more arbor room for my Peggy Martin to grow.